Hello and welcome to World of Warcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a Shoulder Slide Walkaround. Now obviously you need to know how to do a shoulder slide already, so link to that in the description below in case you haven't got that one in your repertoire, but if you have, then you're ready to do one of these. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now the walk around section you can do for as long or as short a time as you like. I'd normally do it for 1 count unless there was a good musical reason for doing more. I did it for 2 in the demo just so you had a good amount of time to see what was going on. So let's break it down. It goes just like a shoulder slide, semicircling back. Walk the lady in, latching onto the shoulder but don't let go. Guys, head back to the right and walk, which swings the lady round the corner, and now the lady's walking forwards. You can walk, as I say, for as long as you like. At some point you let go. The lady slides because of her momentum down to the hand. The guy continues to walk backwards to get out of the lady's way. You get a travelling return and you're done. So let's think of numbers. We go back. 1, onto the shoulder. 2, walk back to generate the swing in. 3, walk around for 4, let go and slide. 5, catching. 6, travelling return. 7, and back. 8. So let's see if it works. 5, 6, a shoulder slide walk around. We go a back, latch, walk, walk, slide, catch, over the top and stop. And that's it. Hope you've enjoyed it. Like, subscribe and hit the bell. That way you'll know every time a new video comes out. We really do appreciate everyone who does that because it helps generate interest in the channel. Music recommendation on the end, something nice to practice to, comes up in the windows in the last few seconds of the video. And as always, thank you for watching World of Warcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.